Testing, testing. Testing mic. Microphone testing. Welcome to Nairobi Jaffery Academy.
One, one, two, one, two.
Hello? Those who are standing and you are not participants, kindly sit down. Here are 6 participants, take your stage. The others will remain quiet. Not yet, not yet. Okay. If you are not a participant, kindly be seated and be orderly. We are starting with year 6, then year 5, then year 4 will be the last ones. Then we shall be good to go.
Good morning. How are you? I'm also fine and excited to be here today. Welcome to the Nairobi Jaffery Academy Junior Math Challenge, the year 2023. As you are aware, we shall begin with grade 6, then to grade 5, and then to grade 4 before we go for our break. Therefore, we want to take a maximum of 30 minutes for each class. That means your cooperation is highly needed here. We shall start, we'll be having 4 rounds. The first round, which is a group work. The second round, which is individual work. Then we have the third round, then the fourth round, in that order. So get ready. Some questions could be asked to the audience, but we don't expect anybody to shout an answer until you are given that opportunity. Then when we have the questions given here, whether you know the answer or not, you are not supposed to shout the answer from that point because you chose your best to represent you. Let me just allow Mr. Amos to go through the rules very fast before we begin.
Good morning, school. How are you today? I'm fine, thank you. And I need to read the rules right now so that you can know. For round 1, it's teamwork. Each order will be given a question to work on. They will have 1 minute to discuss the order. To discuss the question. The order that presses the buzzer first and give the correct answer will get 3 points. The second one will get 2 points, and the third one will get 1 point each. If the answer is not correct, 0 point is awarded. Round 2, flying solo. Each child in the order will be given a question to answer. If they get it right, 1 point will be awarded. If they don't get it right, 0 point is awarded. Round 3, identify the mistake. Each order will be given a question. Each order will be given a question with a mistake. They will have 2 minutes to discuss and identify the error. The first order to press the buzzer, get the answer correct, will get 3 points. The second team will get 2 points, and the last 2 will get 1 point for the correct answer. Or incorrect answers will have no point at all. Round 4, quickfire. In this round, 1 member will represent the order. Each child will be given 10 questions to answer in 1 minute. Each correct answer will get 1 point. The question should be answered in 1 minute. If time elapses and all the questions will not be asked, the anchor stopped there. In case you don't get to understand the question, all you need to say is pass. All you need to say is pass. That's for the quick fire.
Thank you very much, Mr. Amos, for the ground rules. So it's exactly 8:30. I want us to move straight to the questions. So next, I'm trying to communicate with the person who is supposed to move the slide from the other side. Please, let's move to the next slide. Okay, the question is up. Ahmad spent 50 pence on a drink. He used a 1 pound coin. How much change did he get? That's part A. Part B. Next. Okay. So for this question 1, you have to get part A, part B, and part C correct. Then you press the buzzer, and then we shall know who takes the day. Okay, we move forward. Now let's find out the answers and find out which team came with the answers first. That's being observed by Ms. Muzna, Mr. Amos, as well as Mr. Ndambuki. So next. Next. Okay, the answers are right on top of the board. We say he got a 50 pence change. Then after giving this, the brother 50 pence, how much is left? That's 35 pence. And then part C is 5 pence. We move to the next question. Next. The local swimming pool closes for repairs on June 5th. It reopens on July 3rd. For how many fortnights was it closed? Part B. The pool is 25 meters long. How many lengths will you need to swim to achieve your 100 meters badge? Then someone swims 12 lengths. How far in meters did they swim? Our 1 minute is gone. Let's find out if we got the correct answers. The answers are on the board. Okay, we've observed the answers. Next slide, next question. Chloe and Mali each have some toy cars. The number of toy cars that Chloe. Already some groups have the answers. Ms. Muzna is going around taking the answers. Okay, display the answers now. The first part is 60, the second one is C plus M gives us 45. Display the next slide. Your 1 minute is over. Okay, let's see what the answer for that question is. The answer is 27. Move to the next slide. Okay, 1 minute is over. Let's move to display the answer. That's okay. So we are done with the first round. That's the group work where we're supposed to discuss as a group and come up with the answers. We shall be moving to round 2, which is flying solo. So I request us to move up to slide number 19. Slide number 19, from behind there. We go to flying solo. Okay, at this point, each group will be doing a different question. So question 1 goes for the Pelican House. Question 1 goes for the Pelican House. Here is the question. Okay, they are ready with their answer. Let's display the answer. Question 2 will go to the Cheetah House. Display the second question, is already on the board. One liter. Display the answer. 1 liter, that's correct. Question 3 goes to the Lion House. Your time starts now. You have 1 minute. He is ready with the answer. Display the answer. Next question will go to the Giraffe House. Here is the question. He is ready with the answer. Display the answer. Question number 5 will again go to the Pelican House. Display the next question. Add together the prime numbers. Okay, they are ready with the answer. Display the answer. Yes, you're supposed to pick only the prime numbers and add them from that list. The next question goes to the cheetah house. Divide 90 by 6 and find 2/5 of your answer in 1 minute. He's ready with the answer. Display the answer, please. Next question to the lion house. He's ready with the answer. Display the answer. Okay, then the next question goes to the giraffe house. He is ready with the answer, so display the answer. 650 ml. Next question goes to the pelican house. The pelican house once more. Your time starts now. They are ready with the answer. Display the answer. The answer is up there. Then the next question goes to the cheetah house. Display the question. You have the answer ready? They have the answer ready. Display the answer. The answer is 8080. The next question goes to the lion house. Your time starts now. They are ready with the answer before 1 minute. Display the answer. The answer is 84. Then the next question will go to the giraffe house once more. Your time starts now. They are ready with the answer before 1 minute. Display the answer. A sixth. Then the final round comes. We go back to the Pelican House. Pelican House, the next question is yours. Display the next question. Here you go. Your time starts now. Your time is up. The Pelican, so we move to the next group. Display the answer and we go to the next question, please. Okay, that question goes to the cheetah house. Your time is up. So the answer is already displayed on the board. We move to the lion house. Display next slide, please. Your time is up, lions. Display the answer. And then finally, to wrap up that round, we go to the last order. Your time starts now. Are you ready with the answer? Yes, they are ready with the answer. So display the answer. The answer is 44. So from here, we still have at the last part of it, the second last part of it that's asking about true or false. True or false. So you just resume your seats. We move very fast. We just resume your seats. So let's move to slide number 60. Slide number 60 is talking about true or false, where we identify if there are mistakes in the calculations, and then we'll be awarded marks for that. Okay, display next slide.
Ready? Ms. Muzna, ready with the answer? Display the answer. Correct, it's false. It should be 0.6. Next slide. Timekeeper. Timekeeper. Okay, display the answer. It's correct. The mass is 4.9. Next question. Correct. Display the answer. It's false. It should be 8,600. Next question. Display the answer. It's wrong. Should be 83. Next question. Display the answer. It's true. Next question. Timekeeper, check on your time. Display the answer. That is actually correct. The correct change is 2.43. Next question. Timekeeper. Time is up. Okay, we are through with that round. Those who are displaying, kindly note that this one you are not going to display. We want to display the quick fire. It's going to be oral. So all the participants from the 4 houses step here. For 1 participant from each house who is going to participate in quick fire. So these are going to be oral questions. Only 10 questions, and I'm going to read them for the participants, 1 participant at a time. So kindly let me have the 4 who are representing the different houses on this end. And you save on time. They are being given instructions by Mr. Amos, so we give them around 2 minutes. Silence for the start. Silence for the start. I'm going to read out questions for him. They won't be displayed here. Okay, just a minute. All right. I'm going to read out 10 questions to him. One question is 30 seconds for him to give me the answer. Are you ready? Very good. How much will it cost 9 children to go to a cinema if each has to pay $8? 72, correct. The second question, what is 56 divided by 7? 8, correct. What is 19 multiplied by 20? 'Timekeeper? Next, work out the mean of 4, 6, 3, 3, 4. The mean of 4, 6, 3, 3, 4. Thirty seconds are over. Next, what is divide 48 by 4? Correct. Next, the difference between 453 and 753. Which odd number comes just after 4001?
4003.
Correct, 4003. Next, which number is 300 more than 5,762?
6172.
Wrong. Second last, what is the value of digit 6 in the number? Right, 5, 6, 2, 8.
600.
600, correct. Add the even number between 3 and 9. Sum of even numbers between 3 and 9. Time is up. Next house, Mr. Amos. Clap for him. Next house, get ready. The participants who are seated here kindly don't help in the answer. It's a solo activity, so you are not supposed to help in any way. All right? Those are the rules in this particular round. Welcome. Hope you are ready. Which house is this? Yes? Giraffe. So I'll read questions to you. 10 questions in total. One question is 30 seconds. The first question, how much will it cost 9 children to go to a cinema if each child has to pay $8? 9 children, each paying $8. $81, wrong. Second question, what is 56 divided by 7?
8.
8, correct. Next question, multiply 19 times 20. 19 by 20. Yes?
140.
Wrong. Next question. Find the mean of, right? 4, 6, 3, 3, 4.
Pass.
Pass. Next. Divide 48 by 4.
12.
Correct? Okay. What is the difference between 453 and 753?
300.
300, correct. 15, or next question. Which odd number comes just after 4001?
4003.
Correct. Which number is 300 more than 5762? 5762?
6062.
Correct. Next, what is the value of digit 6 in the number? 5, 6, 2, 8.
600.
600, correct. Add the even numbers between 3 and 9. Sum of even numbers between 3 and 9. 18, correct. Is done. We are moving to the next house. Give him a clap, give him a clap. Audience and participants, you have agreed that we are going to remain quiet. Quiet. Don't try to say the answer.
The next in line is Ali Madi, representing which house? Pelican.
Pelican, relax, feel at ease. Where's your whiteboard? Ready? Just come this side. I'm going to read out 10 questions for you, and each question is 30 seconds. You'll take 30 seconds to give me the answer to each question. The first question. The first question, how much will it cost 9 children to go to a cinema if each child has to pay $8?
8.
Dollars.
9. 72.
72, correct. Second question, what is 56 divided by 7?
56 divided by 7. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 8.
Yes?
8.
8, correct. Next question, what is 19 multiplied by 20? 19 multiplied by 20?
380.
380, correct. Next question, work out the mean of the following numbers: 6, 3, 3, 4.
The mean.
Yes.
Yes. 4.
4, correct. Next question, divide 48 by 4.
12.
12, correct. Next question, what is the difference between 453 and 753?
300.
Correct. Next question, what is the odd number just after 4001?
4003.
Correct. Hey, don't share it now. Next question, which number is 300 more than 5762?
6062.
Correct.
Done.
You have 2 more questions. What is the value of digit 6 in the number 5, 6, 2, 8?
Hundreds.
Incorrect. Last question.
Hundreds.
Last question. Add the even numbers between 3 and 9.
10.
Incorrect.
18.
You have tried. Give him a clap.
18. What was the answer for the 8th question? Yes. The last one's 18. I said it. Yeah, the last one was 18. You say it after 10 over.
Aha. Next house is here. Welcome. Face the audience. How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Relax. You are ready?
Yes.
Relax. Okay. So I'm going to read out 10 questions to you, and each question you are giving me the answer within 30 seconds. All right? Good. The first question. Audience, kindly, and the participants, remain quiet. First question. How much will it cost 9 children to go to a cinema if each has to pay $8?
$81.
Yes?
$81.
Incorrect. Second question. What is 56 divided by 7? 56 divided by 7?
8.
8. Correct. Next, multiply 19 by 20.
Sorry, sir?
Multiply 19 by 20.
380.
380, correct. Next, work out the mean of the following numbers. The mean of the following numbers: 6, 3, 3, and 4. 6, 3, 3, and 4.
4.
4, correct. Next, divide 48 by 4.
12.
12, correct. Next, what is the difference between 453 and 753?
300.
300, correct. Next, what is the odd number just after 4001?
Sorry, sir. Repeat the question.
Okay. Can I skip?
Repeat the question. Repeat the
What is the odd number after 4001?
4003.
4003, correct. Next, which number is 300 more than 5762?
6062.
6062, correct. 2 more questions. The second last. What is the value of digit 6 in the number 5628? 5628.
600.
600, correct. Last one. Add the even numbers between 3 and 9.
18.
18, correct. Give him a clap. Yeah, we are done with year 6. Can we clap for the participants as they go to take their seats? We shall get the results in due course.
So meanwhile, we are moving to the next group. it has taken us 50 good minutes. We've spent 50 minutes with year 6. I believe there are errors that we can correct so that we beat our target of 30 minutes per class with the next classes, because the simple errors that we were correcting as we were moving on, I think now that is observed. So, very fast, let me just welcome the year 5 participants representing all the 4 groups.
Those who are projecting, we are starting with round 1, group work. I'll tell you when to project the first question. So hold on. So year 5, welcome to this challenge. We want to take the shortest time possible so that we are within our program. The audience, kindly be seated.
Okay, good morning, junior school. You have been very good audience so far. Give yourself a thumbs up. Give yourself a thumbs up. Now, we are just starting with the year 5s. Is this year 5 or year 4? Yes. Year 5, right? Audience, keep up with your audience etiquette. You're doing a beautiful, beautiful job. So guys, are you ready to be challenged? Are you sure you're ready to be challenged? You don't have butterflies in your tummy? Are you sure? You're comfortable? Excellent. May the best house win. Mr. Andrew, we're waiting for you. Would you like to stand up and stretch? Yes, please. Stand up and stretch a little bit without talking. Stretch a little bit. Mr. Amos is showing us the stretch today. Follow his actions. Follow Mr. Amos. Mr. Andrew, we are almost done stretching. Thank you, Mr. Andrew. Thank you, Mr. Amos. Let's take our seats. Okay, so as we wait for Mr. Andrew, I think I would like to hear the opinion of the Pelican members. Maybe they can tell me how they feel about the math challenge today. Who is this? Mr. Fai. Fai, what do you have to say?
This feels kind of tense because we're being streamed live, so everybody you know might be seeing you even at home.
His parents, you hear that? He's really tense. He's wondering if everybody is watching from home. Cheetah House, what do you have to say about the math challenge today? Tell me something. Who is going to talk to me? Who is this?
I am very excited about today's math challenge. Yes.
Oh, she's really excited about today's math challenge. Let's hear it for the Lions. Lions, who wants to talk to me today? Nakato? Who wants? Oh, Zahara. Zahara, what do you have to say?
Well, I like math challenge and I get to do my skills. Yeah.
Oh, she likes math and she likes doing her skill. Well done. I like that. And finally, giraffes. What do you have to say? Who is this? Soha, what do you have to say about the math challenge?
I'm really excited and let's hope Giraffe wins.
Oh, Giraffe House, where are you? Oh, she hopes Giraffe House wins today. I don't know. I don't know. Do you think Lion House will win today? Do you think Cheetah House will win today? Do you think Pelican House will win today? Well, I don't know. Do you think Giraffe House will win today? So, if your voices were the ones to decide, Miss Christine is talking. I'm waiting. I promise not to call out names today. Audience etiquette. I'm still waiting. Can I call out a name? Excellent. If your voices were to decide which house will win, then all houses will win, right? But we can only have one winner, right? Okay, now let's see the most quiet house. Let's see. Miss Bakari, which house is most quiet today? Let's see. Which one? And don't say your house. Don't say your house. Which house is most quiet? Is it really? I think it's all houses. Thank you, Mr. Andrew.
Okay, we are really behind time. I want to request that we remain orderly so that we can move a bit faster. We are moving very fast. Participants, you are ready? Audience, you are ready? The timekeeper, the judges, there we go. We are starting with group work. So we have 4 questions for group work. So each group will try to work out the questions. The faster you work it out, the more advantageous it is to you, because the first group gets the highest score.
Right, I'm going to read the rules again. Round 1, teamwork. Each order will be given a question to work on. They will have 1 minute to discuss. The order that presses the buzzer first and give the correct answer will get 3 points. The second one gets 2 points, and the third will get 1 point each. If the answer is not correct, 0 point is awarded. Round 2, flying solo. Each child in the order will be given a question to answer. If they get it right, 1 point will be awarded. If they don't get it right, 0 point is awarded. Round 3, identify the mistake. Each order will be given a question with a mistake. They will have 2 minutes to discuss, identify the error. The first order to press the buzzer and get the answer correct will get 3 points. The second will get 2 points, and the last 2 will get 1 point for the correct answer. All incorrect answers will have no point at all. Round 4, quick fire. In this round, one member will present the order. Each child will be given a 10 question to answer in 1 minute. Each correct answer will get 1 point. The question should be answered in 1 minute. If time elapses and all the questions have not been asked, the anchor stops there. If any of the member does not get it right, all you need to say is pass on.
All right, ready? Ready? Slide number 1, first slide. That is the first question. Group work, discuss very quickly within 1 minute. Give us the answer. Ms. Musna, be alert. Timekeeper. Timekeeper. Display the answer. 60. Next question. Time is already running. Timekeeper. Display the answer. 4. Next slide. All right, there we go. Ms. Musna. Time is already up. Ready, Ms. Musna? Please don't display the answer for that one. Move to the next slide, the next question. Move to the next question, not answer. Move to the next question. Okay, there we go. Time is running. Timekeeper. Time is up. Stop writing. Answer 1385. Next slide. I think we are done with that round, isn't it? Guys, we are moving to the next round. We are moving to the next round, flying solo. So in this case, okay, we are moving to the next round, flying solo. So each member of the group will be given a minute to answer a question. So get organized. Who is going to start? Who is second, third, fourth? And we are starting now. So those who are displaying, kindly go to flying solo and then get ready. We are starting with, is it Pelican? Yes. Pelican gets the first question. Your time starts now. Timekeeper, 1 minute. Timekeeper, we're waiting for you if time is up. They are done. Display the answer. Display the answer. That is it. Next question. So the local swimming pool has a length of 25 meters. I don't see the second part of the question. How many lengths does one has to swim to achieve 100 meters bunch? Your time starts now. Cheetah. Don't press the buzzer. Timekeeper. Answer. Correct. Next question. Timekeeper. Timekeeper. Time is up. Ms. Musna, check. They have not finished. Display the answer. Correct. We are looking for the sum. We add the next two numbers. Next question. It goes to giraffe. Timekeeper, you are alert. Time is up. Display the answer. There we go. We are going to have one more participant from each house, and then we close the round. All right? One more participant from every house, then we close the round. So can you identify the person who is representing your house very quickly? Okay. We are again starting with Pelican. Next question. There we go. Pelican. Timekeeper is alert. Display the answer. There we go. Cheetah, we are there. Next question. There we go. Timekeeper is alert. They are done. Display the answer. There we go. The one that takes the shortest time. Next question. There we go. Timekeeper is alert. Time is up. Display the answer. There we go. The answer is 24. The last question for this round. There we go. There we go. You are finding the value of each letter in the square. Timekeeper is alert. Time is up. We have the answer. Display the answer. There we go. 2, 8, 5, 10. So that is the end of the flying solo. We are going straight to questions of true or false, or right or wrong. Those who are displaying, get ready. Are you ready? All right. Ready? Mr. Polycarp, just 1 minute. All right, we are starting. Correcting mistakes, those who are ready. So in this case, you are going to identify whether the question is right or wrong, and then you press your buzzer as you finish, then Ms. Moses will be there. We are starting now. So can you display just a minute? Okay, there we go. Display the answer. Correct. Next question. Next question. There we go. Display the answer. It's wrong. Should be isosceles. Ready? Next question. There we go. Mr. Polika, please help also in identifying the ones who finish first. Display the answer. Wrong. Next question, and the last one for this round. Display the answer. Wrong. All right. So, boys and girls, we are through this round. We are moving to the next round, and that is quick fire. Identify a member of your house that will represent you. Those who have been chosen, please come to this end. Mr. Amos, usher them out. Don't carry your boats out, you just leave them here, you pick them when you come back. Mr. Amos, kindly usher them out. So, we are starting with the first house here. Pelican. The audience, please remain quiet. Please don't try to say the answer, whether correct or incorrect. You are ready? Good. No, do this, just arrange them outside. Let me start it. Sakina was ready. Sakina, come. Just come. You can arrange the others. Sakina is ready. It's okay. This is the question is going to send. So we're going to come close to them. Attention. Attention, audience. Most of my questions in this section do not require calculation. They are mental questions that we just say the answer. But of course, I'm not saying you should not be having a pen. Right. You have got 1 minute. So each participant will be given a minute. And within that minute, they'll answer 10 questions. The questions are short structured. They may not require a lot of calculation. Let me confirm if the other participants are out of the coverage zone so that they don't get the answers. May I start? All right. How are you? Are you ready?
Yes.
Relax. Now, you have 1 minute to answer the following questions. Question number 1. How many lines of symmetry does an equilateral triangle have? 3, correct. Come closer to the mic. Question number 2. What is the perimeter of a square whose side is 8 centimeters?
8 centimeters. 64.
64, correct. Next, find the difference in temperature between -4 degrees and 7 degrees. Incorrect. Round off 3.6 meters to the nearest meter. 4 meters, correct. Just come closer to the mic. Question number 5. Convert 75% as a fraction. 3 over 4, correct? How many centimeters are there in 1.5 meters?
How many centimeters are there in 1.5 meters? 150?
150. Time is up. Okay. We are moving to the next house. Next house. Please take the shortest time possible so that you respond to all the questions. The shortest time possible so that you respond to maximum questions. We are ushering in the next participant. I've not heard you clapping for Sakina, and she has done so well. Very good. Miss Kate, were they very far? The next participant? Okay, welcome. Here. You can pick your pen and your board. The audience, the participants, we said, let's not tell them their answers. Right, we are starting right away. Hi, Siraj. How are you?
Fine.
Don't pant, just relax, okay? Most of my questions, as I said, will not require a lot of writing. You just say the answer straight away. So you have got 1 minute to answer 10 questions. 1 minute to answer the 10 questions. And your time starts now. Question 1. How many lines of symmetry does an equilateral triangle have?
3.
3, correct. What is the perimeter of a square whose side is 8 centimeters?
32 centimeters.
Correct. Find the difference in temperature between -4 degrees and 7 degrees.
What?
Difference in temperature between -4 and 7.
3. No.
Incorrect. Round off 3.6 meters to the nearest meter.
4 meters.
4, correct. Convert 75% as a fraction.
3 over 4.
Correct. How many centimeters are there in 1.5 meters?
1,500.
Incorrect. What is 360 divided by 90?
40.
Incorrect. Time is up. Next participant. One minute answering 10 questions. So one question should be equal to how many seconds? 6 seconds. Correct. Have you clapped for Siraj? Yeah, he has done well. He has done so well. Eh? So one question, take a maximum of 6 seconds, and then you'll be good to go. Next participant. Take your board and your marker pen.
Yes, sir.
Here you go. Hi, Bilan.
Hello, sir.
Can you say hi to the audience?
Yes.
Say hi to them.
Hello.
There you go. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Very good. You have got 1 minute to answer a total of 10 questions.
Sir,
Yes?
for the questions, am I doing all of them in 1 minute?
Yes.
Okay,
All of
sir.
them in 1 minute. So question number 1. How many lines of symmetry does an equilateral triangle have?
1.
Incorrect. 2. What is the perimeter of a square whose side is 8 centimeters?
Yes, sir.
Perimeter of a square, side 8 centimeters.
Area 8 centimeters.
Perimeter of a square whose side is 8 centimeters.
2 centimeters.
Incorrect. Next. Find the difference in temperature between -4 and 7 degrees Celsius.
11.
Correct. Round off 3.6 meters to the nearest meter.
4.
Correct. Convert 75% as a fraction.
3 over 4.
Correct. How many centimeters are there in 1.5 meters?
150.
Correct. What is 360 divided by 90?
40.
Incorrect. Time is up. Clap for her. She has done so well. Next, participants. Audience, are you calculating? Are you calculating? How many centimeters? Let me just leave it at that point. Next, participants. We have some oral questions for the audience. Get ready. Get ready. Next participant and the last one. Which house is that? Lion. Here. Take your board and the marker. Hi, Farah.
Hi.
Can we say hi to everyone?
Hi.
Good. Are you ready?
Yes.
Relax. Don't tense, all right? Now, you have got 1 minute to answer 10 questions. Most of them will not require writing anyway, but you can try. Question number 1. How many lines of symmetry does an equilateral triangle have?
2.
Incorrect. What is the perimeter of a square of side 8 centimeters?
36.
Incorrect. Find the difference in temperature between -4 degrees and 7 degrees Celsius.
-10.
Incorrect. Round off 3.6 meters to the nearest meter.
Round off.
3.6 meters to the nearest meter.
4 meters.
Correct. What is 75% as a fraction?
3/4.
Correct. How many centimeters are there in 1.5 meters?
How many?
Centimeters are there in 1.5 meters?
5 meters.
Time is up. Time is up. You can have a seat. Clap for her. Thank you very much. I hope we are done with all the houses, isn't it? And we are done with all the rounds. So thank you very much, year 5, for that presentation. So you can sit to the audience. Join the audience, yes? You'll be told the results later, don't worry. You'll be given the results today. Grade 4s, take your seats. Grade 4s, take your seats. Audience, hi. Audience, hi. Let me throw one question to you. Are you ready to catch it? Are you ready to catch it? Yeah, as Ms. Kate prepares her slides, then year 5, can you help her with the marker that we are using, especially in this house? Anybody with a marker can help her? Yeah, good. Thank you. Participants, are you ready? Don't shout the answer. Just raise your hand. Okay. You have got 6 seconds to answer this question. Attention, are you ready? Why is your hand up? I've not even asked the question. Are you ready? You have got 6 seconds to answer these questions. An angle is greater than 180 degrees but less than 360. What is the name of that angle? Yes? Yes? Right angle, incorrect. Yes. Isosceles is a triangle. Yes. Yes? Obtuse, not really. Reflex, correct. I told you be alert. As she comes, let me see if I have another one for the audience. Yes? Okay, audience, are you ready? The last question for you, audience. Hi. How many hours are there in a week? How many hours are there in a week? Audience? Audience? Yes? Yes? 168 is correct. Miss Kate, are you ready? All right. Silence. Those who are standing, please settle so that we start very quickly. We are behind time. And now it's time for the grade 4s. The audience participants. Grade 4.
Okay, grade 4s, I hope you're all ready. Thank you, audience, for being so very active and listening. So we'll start with round 1, which is group work. So I'll read the question. You work it out in your groups, then you say the answer. Are you ready? Oh, it's going to be displayed. Please display. Display. Oh. Okay, there is the question. Once you're ready, you press the buzzer. 1 minute. Timekeeper, start. So Bruno has collected stamps. Timekeeper? Okay. All the answers have been collected. Let's move on. Display the answer. Let's move on to the next slide. Okay, write the next number in the sequence. Shh. If you have an answer, press the buzzer. Don't raise up your hand. Okay. We move to the next one. Display the answer. Yes, 15 is the correct answer. The next slide. Okay. Okay. Okay, so display the answer. Okay, the next question, please. Okay, remember you have, if you get the answer, you press the buzzer. It's group work. Okay. Okay, let's move. That marks the, display the answer first. Okay, that marks the end of round 1. Let's move to round 2. It's flying solo. So each group will have 2 members that are going to represent them. 2 members from each group. Let's have the member that is representing each house to move. to move here on this side. Round 2, flying solo, 2 questions. Let's move to round 2, flying solo. So you choose 2 members, and it's not, you don't assist the members. Move the buzzer next to the member that is representing you. Okay, so I hope every house is ready. So display the question. So what are these 2 numbers Saira is thinking about? Timekeeper. One. Water. Shh. Hussein? Okay, time is up. We move to the next question. Okay. I have. The next question is displayed. The next question is there. Okay. Okay. So, time. Time is up. We move to the next question. So the next person in the group representing, let's have the next person for the next 2 questions. Okay. The question has been displayed. I made it. Who's representing Lion? Hurry up. Time is up. The next question for the same people. Display the answer. Okay, there is the answer. The question. There is the question. Okay. Okay. Display the answer. Okay, that marks the end of round 2. The next one, we move to Slide 30. Right or wrong? Right or wrong? So as a group, you're going to identify. This is round 3. You're going to identify. You read a question. You say if it is right or wrong. You're going to work as a group. So we'll have 2 questions per group. 2 questions will be. Okay, are you ready? Are the team members, participants, are you ready? Okay, Hassan, you need to sit down. Okay, let's display the question. Okay. Time. Okay. Let's move to the next. Display the answer. Okay, so it was wrong. Then the next question. Okay, the next, okay, the answer, display the answer. So that one was wrong. Okay, the next question. And finally, the last question in this round. Display, okay, there it is. So, okay, so that round is over. Thank you, participants. You're doing it very fast. So we are in the last round. The last round, quick fire. So in your orders, choose one person to represent your house. Choose one person to represent your house. Then they'll be asked to step out. Choose one person to represent you. Choose one person. Pelican is ready. Cheetah is ready. Lion. Where is the member from Lion representing them? Then we have, okay, Giraffe is ready. So you'll have 1 minute to answer 10 questions. 1 minute to answer 10 questions. If you don't know the answer, you're allowed to say pass. Okay, number 1. Yes, you can get your board. Okay, so you'll have 1 minute. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, I'll read the question. You say the answer.
Okay.
And it's being timed starting now. How many vertices does a triangular prism have? How many vertices does a triangular prism have?
8.
Incorrect. The sides of a square measure 4 centimeters. What is the perimeter of the square?
16.
Correct. A kite costs $54. How much will 2 kites cost?
32.
Incorrect. How many corners do 2 squares and 2 triangles have?
How many what?
How many corners do 2 squares and 2 triangles have?
14.
Correct. A toy car costs 320. A toy aeroplane costs 400 more. How much more? What is the cost of the toy aeroplane? A toy car costs 320. A toy aeroplane costs 400.
720.
Correct. We move on to the next question. What is 400 more than 250?
It is 400 more.
Time is up.
Okay. 400 more.
The next participant, that was very well done. Next person. Okay, here he comes. Okay, so relax. How are you?
Fine. After talk. No, it's okay, miss. It's okay, I don't need.
Okay, he doesn't need a board.
It's okay, I don't
He
need.
doesn't need a board. Okay. Okay, Hassan, you're ready? The next, the first question, how many vertices does a triangular prism have?
6.
The sides of a square measure 4 centimeters. What is the perimeter of the square?
16.
A kite costs $54. How much will 2 kites cost?
108.
How many corners do 2 squares and 2 triangles have? How many corners do 2 squares?
7.
Okay, a toy car costs 320. A toy aeroplane costs 400 more. What is the cost of the toy aeroplane?
720.
What is 400 more than 250?
650.
Correct. What is the sum of 32 and 8? What is the sum of 32 and 8?
24.
Incorrect. Find the quotient of 28 and 27. Find the quotient of 28 and 7. Find the quotient of 28 and 7.
21.
Incorrect. What can be added to 350 to make it 1,000?
650.
Correct. Time is up. That was well done. Clap for him. Let's have the next participant. Thank you, audience, for being very well settled. We are almost done with this round. Okay, here he comes. Hi. Okay, relax. I'm going to ask you 10 questions. You answer within 1 minute. If you don't know the answer, you say pass. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Let's start. How many vertices does a triangular prism have?
6.
The sides of a square measure 4 centimeters. What is the perimeter of the square?
48.
Incorrect. The kite costs $54. How much will 2 kites cost?
Pass.
How many corners do 2 squares and 2 triangles have?
4.
Incorrect. A toy car costs 320. A toy aeroplane costs 400 more. How much does the toy aeroplane cost?
880.
Incorrect. What is 400 more than 250? What is 400 more than 250?
650.
Correct. What is the sum of 32 and 8?
40.
Correct. Find the quotient of 28 and 7.
35.
Incorrect. What can be added to 350 to make it 1,000?
650.
Correct. What is the product of 9 and 7? can give the answer. What is the product of 9 and 7? Okay, time is up. Thank you so much. Clap for him. Well done. So we are on our last participant. Here she comes. So hi. Okay, so you're going to answer 10 questions within 1 minute. I'll read the question, you give the answer. If you don't know the answer, you can say pass. So I'll start. Starting now. How many vertices does a triangular prism have?
6.
The sides of a square measure 4 centimeters. What is the perimeter of the square?
16.
A kite costs $54. How much will 2 kites cost?
108.
Correct. How many corners do 2 squares and 2 triangles have? How many corners do 2 squares and 2 triangles have?
14.
Correct. A toy car costs 320. A toy aeroplane costs 400 more. How much does the toy aeroplane cost?
600.
Incorrect. What is 400 more than 250?
290.
Incorrect. What is the sum of 32 and 8? What is the sum of 32 and 8?
40.
Correct. Find the quotient of 28 and 7. Find the quotient of 28 and 7.
35.
Okay, time is up. Thank you so much. Clap for her. So that marks the end of the maths challenge for grade 4s. I'll hand it over to Mr. Amos.
Can you clap for all the participants? Well done, grade 4s, well done, grade 5s, well done, grade 6. It's now 10:25. We have been able to keep time, apart from the few delays that we had when we were starting. Now, we are going to our classes, but you're going to go there in our orders. All right? Marks might be deducted from the group or the house that is making noise. So I would want the participants to leave everything they have. That's the board and the whiteboard marker. Put it there. The buzzer, put it there. Go back to your house in order. Oh, let's go back. Hey, which house is this? Let's go back to our sitting arrangement. Put the... Where's my mark pen? We sit. We sit down. All right, I want to make a simple announcement that we are going to announce the results later because we have to combine year 4, 5, and 6 together with year 1 and 2, 3 results that we're going to have. So in the meantime, I want us to leave gently. We are going to start with the Pelican House and the teachers on that side. We're going to get out and wear our shoes and then go straight, have our break, and then later at 10:50 we'll be in our class. Pelican House only. Pelican House only. Pelican House only. Yes, as you're going out, ensure that you have not left anything. Pick up the litter that could be there, please. Lion, you're next. Lions. Giraffes. Cheetahs. No. Don't take anything. You're going to use it for the next round. Yeah, we'll return it to you. Yeah, we'll return everything to you. All right? Yeah. No, not now. Hey, excuse me. Oh, okay. We go. Hey, we're almost starting now.
Good morning, year 1, 2, and 3 students. How are you this morning? I am fine, I am excited, I'm looking forward to the maths challenge. I hope you are too. So we are starting off our maths challenge and we will start with the year 3s. But before we start, I will invite Mr. Amos to take us through the rules. Thank you.
Good morning, school. Oh, good morning to you, and I'm very fine. So I'm going to read the rules for today's maths challenge. You need to listen, because if you're caught talking, especially if you're in the audience, your team will lose marks. Your team will lose points. Round 1, we are going to have teamwork. Each order will be given a question to work on. They will have 1 minute to discuss. The order that presses the buzzer first and give the correct answer will get 3 points. The second one will get 2 points, and the third will get 1 point each. If the answer is not correct, 0 point is going to be awarded. Can you press the buzzer to see if it's working? Thank you. You just need to press once, not twice, not thrice. Round 2, we have flying solo. Each child in the order will be given a question to answer. If they get it right, 1 point will be awarded. If they don't get it right, 0 point is awarded. Round 3. Identify the mistake. Each order will be given a question with a mistake. They will have 2 minutes to discuss and identify the error. The first order to press the buzzer and get the answer correct will get 3 points. The second would get 2 points, and the last 2 will get 1 point for the correct answer. Or incorrect answers will have no point at all. Or incorrect answers will have no point at all. Then round 4, quick fire. In this round, 1 member will represent the order. Each child will be given 10 questions to answer in 1 minute. Each correct answer will get 1 point. The question should be answered in 1 minute. If time elapses and all the questions have not been asked, the anchor stops there. At that point, if a question is hard to the person being asked, they can just say, pass. And then the anchor will go to the next question. Back to you, Mrs. Lucy. Back to you, Mrs. Lucy.
Mr. Amos, thank you. Thank you, Mr. Amos. So we need to start. Miss Margaret, please come.